Hi, I'm Karen Toyoshima. I'm the fur mom of Burgos and 7 other dogs at home. Why Burgos? If you've seen po the film Gomburza, my boyfriend Cedric played the role of Burgos. And then during the time of Gawad Parangal, that was the time Potion Project rescued Burgos and his mom and other siblings. So, meron pong 3 puppies doon na lalaki. So, they named them Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora. And then the other female puppy, Saturnina. When Potion Project posted the story about the Gomburza pups, actually po umulan yung application ng para sa adoption. So when we visited Potion Project for a vlog, everyday po nagsisend siya ng updates kay Burgos. So parang kami, everyday siyang struggle na kukunin natin to. Kasi sobrang cute po talaga. So hindi na kami nakahindi. That's why we adopted Burgos na. I consider it as a devotion and passion na po talaga. Parang akala ko pet lover lang ako. Iba po kasi pag sinabi mong pet parent di ba? Parang it's a next level kind of love. Iba talagang attachment and yung emotion mo when it comes to your pet. Talagang parang anak na po yung turing niyo sa kanila. Yun po yung gusto rin naman namin i-share sa lahat na as an advocate na all breeds are the same. Parang for us, walang mas lamang, walang mas hindi lamang. Para po sa amin, pantay-pantay sila. For me, every day feels like Mother's Day po. Parang yun yung kinaka-proud namin bilang mga fur moms na every day, iba-iba yung happiness na nakukuha namin sa mga pets, iba-iba yung learnings from different pets mo at home. For me po, parang this year, extra special siya kasi may bago kaming addition to the family. Tapos, iba talaga po yung happiness and yung change na nangyayari sa personality mo and sa life mo bilang tao and yun po, bilang citizen na parang you're not just a pet mom. You are creating an impact to the society na through Burgos, nakita ng ibang tao na dapat mahalin din para natin sila. Parang ganun po. Hi to all the other pet moms out there. Happy Mother's Day. Alam kong hindi madali itong mga ginagawa natin, pero alam ko at alam ninyo na ang mga pets natin ay parang tinuturing na natin parang tunay na anak. Happy Mother's Day!